100% acrylic DK yarn, a scissor, and a 4mm crochet hook. You are going to start off by making a magic ring. Insert the hook inside the magic ring, yarn over and chain 1. Make 1 double crochet inside the magic ring. Make 3 triple double crochet inside the magic ring, whereas you're going to yarn over twice. Next, we are going to make 4 double crochet inside the magic ring. Next, make 3 more triple double crochet inside the magic ring and just repeat that. These ones are shaping the tip of your heart. Next, you are going to make 4 double crochet inside the magic ring. Make 3 triple double crochet inside the magic ring. Your mini heart must start to look like this, because next you're just going to make the last double crochet inside the magic ring before slip stitch to join your work. Make 1 double crochet inside the magic ring. Pull that yarn tail under to fully close your circle. Now slip stitch on top of the first double crochet stitch you have started with to join your work. Chain 1 to close and you can cut off the yarn. Just try to stretch out your heart a little bit to shape it perfectly by pulling those 3 sides of it. And this small heart is perfectly for any project of your choice. You can easily seam it on any project you want. You don't want to look so plain. Weaving your yarn ends with a yarn needle, and actually you must flip your heart. The right side must be facing down and the wrong side must be facing up when you are doing it.